Hello everyone! Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Last time, we went through planet Kerwan, and it seems that we need to go to, what was it, planet Eudora? And there's like, there's a team of not construction, I don't know what to call them, but they're basically robots working to take out parts of the planet, and they're essentially going to have part of it destroyed, and we need to put a stop to it. So let's see where we're going next. Yep, Eudora.
Yes, quite lovely. That should just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant!
Yes, sir.
You have fulfilled your tree quota. There.
We are ready to return to base.
Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
That's just cruel. All right. The hell kind of voice is that for a robot? Oh, hang on. Sorry, I was loving on my cat. She's purring and happy.
I got some great bargains for you today.
I don't have enough for those. Now, from what I recall, yeah, there's like a skill point for taking a lot of these ships out. I don't know if this one's within range. Nope. I just love doing that. Everyone here needs these trees, and you're not going to be the one to take them away. Oh, okay, that just loops around, I think. Also, now that we have a swing shot, we can actually go into the Skid McMark shop, but I want to go through planet Eudora first.
You'll need a Gadgetron trespasser to get past this security door. Unfortunately, our scans do not show a trespasser available on this planet.
That's fine. Gonna play it safe. I don't know why. I don't know why. I just love doing that. Does not seem though that that allows for any kind of you know, skill point though. I should probably wait until I beat the game so I know what planets will actually have a skill point. Even though I'm fairly certain it's gonna be like all of them. I do like how each of the different screws and bolts and screws, nuts, and bolts, I do like how they all have different values. Crap. Let's take a look here. The screw? 6083. The screw? It's worth 1. This nut here? 5. And the cog, I'm pretty sure, is worth 10. Le whack. I don't know how many of these I would really have to destroy. See, here's the thing. Some of these skill points are tied to trophies. And because I got all the trophies, I no longer really know, you know, exactly how many of these I really need to, destroy. Still got 1. You know what? Yeah, I'll just, I'll worry about it later. No sense worrying about it now. No, I don't like you things. I never liked you things. Alright, let's keep going. Give. Alright, it came that way. Nope, I didn't. No. I don't. I keep thinking the circle button is gonna take me out of the menu I'm trying, like, to get out of. Okay, this way. Oh, okay, yeah, there's, appears to be stairs over here. Yeah. Not you. No. 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 You're big, you're bad, you're mean, and no one likes you. Anything up here? Nope. Okay. Haha, robot go boom. I do remember there is a gold bolt around here somewhere, but I can't remember exactly where. That's what you get for being an enemy that no one likes. I think there was like a wall jump somewhere, but I can't remember where. Certainly not here. Probably somewhere over there. I don't know though. I always tend to get so like worked up over or so distracted over certain collectibles that I'm trying to find in games. Really, really bad habit of mine. Especially if it's a game I've played before. Because I'll know that I'm pretty sure I know where something is, and I'll want to spend time looking for it. But, you know. I'll stick with the bomb glove, thanks. Not enough blaster ammo to really solve my problems. Ow! Angel, what do you want? My cat never seems to realize that the door is cracked open. Oh well. Whee! Not that bright, are you? Got one glove of doom ammo. I don't have a glove of doom weapon though. It's in the shop, but I don't have it. That's weird. Whatever though. What's this? You're no match for the blaster. You're no match for the blaster master. Ooh, I almost fell off. Ah! Wow, wow. You took a lot of health from me. Kind of a dick. That's a thing. That's a thing I want.
Sweet! Gadgetron's suck cannon can vacuum up multiple enemies, then fire them out as high-caliber missiles. Caution, enemies must be small enough to fit inside the barrel.
Sweet! I love it. The weapon with infinite ammo. Kinda like you. Okay, so basically the way it works... That was not worth it. Oh crap, did I just screw up? I totally did. Oh damn it.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
So basically, the way the suck cannon works is you hold down the suck button, and as long as you keep holding it down, you'll have a funnel that sucks in small enemies. If you release it and press the suck button again, it'll instead shoot out the enemies you sucked into the suck cannon. And the Glove of Doom does this. Provides terrifying little monsters that makes certain enemies shit their pants. Come on, Glove. Damn it. So adorable. Damn it, that's where I was supposed to come from. Guess we're gonna have to go around the long go around again. Hi. What's up? Angel's just sitting there staring at me. What's up? Oh. Oh, you knew I'd give you lovin', huh? You knew I'd give you lovin'. Hmm? You can hear her. Wrong way. At least the enemies have been taken care of. I forgot there was a pit there. At least the enemies have been taken care of, so not much to worry about. Yeah, what's this? Oh yeah, this. I swear I remember there being a gold bolt around here somewhere. What's that? Oh. Damn it. Oh, that's what's happening here. The display screen thing is being all funky again. Not that big a deal though. Oh, you guys are back again. Damn it. Totally thought I could get that. Ow! If that's how you want to do it. You want me to be intimidating? I can be intimidating. I don't know why y'all are even back. I thought I dealt with you all. You'll know when they're dealt with when they, you know, you'll know when they're dealt with when they just spew out bolts. Want to try that one again, Chief? I doubt it. So, okay, what's over there then? Oh, that's the way with the trespasser.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hi. Alright. What else do we gotta do? In here? I don't think it's in here. No. I think he's behind that door blocked off by the trespasser. But we can't go there yet. Where we can go is planet Iridia. Hello. I gotta take a picture of this. Alright. Crap. Aha. Boop. Oh, do I have to switch to it? I'm pretty sure there's like a skill point for getting through this course without ever touching the ground. I kind of want to see if I can do that. Damn it! No. I want to give it a try. Damn it! I guess it's kind of hard. I don't. I'm pretty sure it at least starts here. I'll probably have to worry about that skill point later. 'Cause I do know though that a particular skill point here is getting through this course without ever touching the ground. I'll probably have to worry about that one later. Or maybe it was like a certain amount of time or something, I don't know. Oh! How did I got it, apparently. Well, I'll be damned.
Yes! Using the latest in precision laser technology, the Gadgetron Trespasser is guaranteed to work on Gadgetron's line of Invinso lock security doors.
I, honest to God, do not know how I got that skill point. Oh yeah, gold bolt. I remember that. Okay, so I'm pretty damn sure that I'm very sure that to get the skill point, I have to get through the the Versa-Target course without touching the ground. And I know for a fact I touched the ground a couple times, so I don't know what gives. Maybe it was like, I don't know, maybe there's like some special instances or something, I don't know.
Lasers are mounted on each ring of the Invincible. Aim the lasers at the receptors on the outside ring and turn them green. All receptors must be green before the Invincible will open.
Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Well, whatever works. I got the skill point and the gold bolt. I don't know how I did it, but I did. I'm like genuinely confused because did I do it in a certain amount of time? What did I do? Oh god. I don't know what I did. I really don't. Whatever works though. Alright. So, episode's gonna go on a little longer than usual, just so we can confront the lieutenant. Can't really go elsewhere right now. Yep. So remember before when I mentioned delays on jumping and everything? This is kind of what I was talking about earlier, how... Please make it. Oh, thank God. This is what I was talking about earlier when I said double jumping in this game allows you to have like a delay between when you like when you start to fall. And that right there made it a lot easier to manage. Wait. I'm curious, I want to try something. What if I just hold the circle button? Oh, if I hold the circle button, it automatically fires. Cool. I don't know if that would have made the task any easier. And I don't know if that would have made the task any easier in Iridia, but you know, whatever. I am amazed that didn't hit me. Oh, hello, good sir.
You sure showed him.
I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Dredd, and we here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind Boot Tester, Warhead Assembly Technician, Mutant Animal Husbandry, Robot Repairman, Sub-Cannon Test Dummy, and Administrative Assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS to go.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're absolutely right.
I am?
Sure, we need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
Ah, you think too much. Come on, let's go.
Ratchet, I wouldn't call you sly, but the fact that you're actually able to confuse and make a robot question himself is pretty unique, not gonna lie. But now, I'm gonna go ahead and end this episode here, folks. Until next time, in the next episode of Ratchet and Clank, we're gonna go to this Blarg research station and try to find some more gadgets. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.